I've been fortunate to do rule of law work across Asia with LexisNexis, and this time I had an opportunity to help people within my own country, which is the villages of Sabah. Our team actually visited Kampung Terian late last year, and we had the opportunity to have a workshop with villagers in neighboring communities, as well as the community of Kampung Terian, and we identified that there were legal issues that were impacting them, and some of them had issues with their land registry, some of them had issues with registering their children, and there were very little legal remedy for each of them. And this was really eye-opening because these villages live in very distant and poor conditions, and they have very little help to get access to justice. So this was something that we brought back with us as an experience that we wanted to go back and help. So when the second opportunity came, where we had a chance to go with the mobile courts of Sabah, this was we jumped at the opportunity. We actually went deep into the villages with the Sabah courts, and we saw firsthand how these people were being helped by JPN officers, Sabah, the mobile courts, as well as the medical officers that were brought there to help these communities with just the basic needs and it was really inspiring to see how a community like the Sabah court was able to help such a remote location and get them the basic needs and to help them go further in building their communities and their lives forward. So I brought back with me a lot of experience and really inspired by the work that the Sabah court, as well as the effect that the communities were going through and the change that we could help bring to these communities. And I want as many people involved, and I want as many people to help as part of this cause.